Welcome to the top best. The best helical cutterhead is probably one of the most significant upgrades you can make to your DeWalt planer. This video dives deep into why a helical cutterhead is a game changer, exploring its benefits over traditional knives. We'll cover everything from the cleaner cuts and reduced tear out to the quieter operation and longer lifespan. Stick around as we explore the features and benefits of this upgrade. Number 5. FOXBC 13-inch planer blades for DeWalt DW735 DW735X. Are you looking for replacement blades for your DeWalt DW735 or DW735X planer? These FOXBC blades are designed specifically for those models. This set of 3 will get you back to smooth planing in no time. These blades are a direct replacement for DeWalt DW7352 blades. Measuring 13 by 7/8 by 1/16 inches, they fit perfectly. You can be sure that it will fit your planer. These blades are reversible, featuring double-sided, honed cutting edges. This design allows you to use both sides before needing to replace them. It's a cost-effective solution. Made from high-speed steel, these blades are built to last. The M2 laminated tool steel stays sharper longer than conventional materials. This ensures a longer cutting life. Machined locator holes make aligning the knives on the cutter head easy. This feature simplifies the blade changing process. It saves you time and effort. These blades offer a cost-effective alternative to sharpening. They provide excellent performance and value. It's a smart choice for any woodworker. What we like. These planer blades feature reversible cutting edges, doubling their lifespan. Made from high-speed steel, they promise a longer cutting life. If you're looking for an affordable alternative to sharpening, this is a great choice. What people say. Very sharp. Fit perfectly. Easy to install. Blade edge lasts pretty long time. Very clean smooth cuts on my slow or fast settings in my planer. Fit was perfect. Packaged very well. Cuts like new again. They fit DeWalt DW735 planer perfectly. Came perfectly sharp and have held their edge after planing a bunch of cherry and red oak. Number 4. FOXBC DW734 planer blades replacement. Are you looking for replacement blades for your DeWalt DW734 planer? These blades are designed specifically for that model. They provide a cost-effective solution to keep your planer running smoothly. These 12-1/2-inch blades are the perfect fit. They are made to the exact specifications of the original DeWalt DW7342 blades. This ensures a precise and clean cut every time. The blades are constructed from M2 high-speed steel. This material extends the cutting life of the blades. It also allows the blades to stay sharper for longer. The double-edged design means you can flip the blade for twice the use. This reversible feature provides a cost-effective alternative to constant sharpening. It is a great value. Each set comes with 3 blades, packaged in a protective plastic case. This ensures you have replacements on hand. It is a convenient and practical choice. FOXBC is a trusted name in planer blades. They are proud to offer these replacements. They are designed to keep your woodworking planer cutting cleanly. What we like. Crafted from M2 high-speed steel, these blades are built for durability. The double-edged design extends the cutting life, providing great value. If you value a clean cut and easy storage, you should consider this. What people say. I was really surprised at how well these performed, ESP when the trend is to get a helix replacement. The wood went through the planer like butter. I swapped these into my planer and ran several hard maple boards through, and it cut like butter, definitely better than my dull DeWalt blades. Number 3. FOXBC 3-1/4-inch planer blades. These blades are designed to replace blades for various planer models, including Bosch, Makita, and DeWalt. They are compatible with most 3-1/4-inch handheld planers on the market. Made from high-speed steel, this product offers improved performance. They are sharp and durable, allowing it to slice through both softwood and hardwood with ease. The blades feature double-edged, reversible design. This feature effectively doubles the cutting life, ensuring your woodworking projects are always cut cleanly. The sliding design makes it easy to install onto your planer. The package includes a 10-pack of blades, providing you with a sufficient supply for your projects. FOXBC aims to provide affordable, top-quality replacement blades. This product is designed to help woodworkers achieve the best results in their projects. What we like. These 3 to 1/4-inch planer blades are designed for a wide range of handheld planers. The double-edged design offers twice the cutting life. If you have a handheld planer and want a quick and easy blade replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. The helical head is a game changer. The planer now cuts smoother than ever. The finish is like glass. Number 2. FOXBC DW735 DW735X planer blades, 2 set of 6. These are replacement blades for DeWalt DW735 and DW735X planers. They are designed to keep your woodworking planer cutting cleanly. This ensures you get the best results. These blades are a direct replacement for DeWalt DW7352-2 planer blades. They are made to fit perfectly and function just like the originals. You can easily install them. The blades feature reversible, honed cutting double edges. This design allows you to use both edges before needing to replace them. It's a cost-effective solution. Each set includes 2 packs of 6 blades, and they come in a plastic case. This packaging protects the blades and makes them easy to store. It also keeps them organized. FOXBC is proud to offer these replacement blades. They are designed to help your planer maintain its cutting performance. This will improve your woodworking projects. What we like. These blades feature reversible, honed cutting edges for a superior finish. The 6-pack set ensures you have replacements on hand. If you like to have a stock of blades and want a clean cut, you should consider this. What people say. The helical head is a game changer. The planer now cuts smoother than any planer I've ever used. The finish is absolutely flawless. Number 1. FOXBC 13 Helical Cutterhead for DeWalt DW735X planer. This is a replacement cutterhead for your DeWalt DW735 or DW735X planer. It comes with pre-installed bearings, making installation easier. This upgrade will significantly improve your planing experience. The staggered, spiral carbide inserts provide a shear cut, resulting in a smoother finish. This design also reduces noise during operation. You'll notice a significant difference in the quality of your cuts. When an insert dulls, simply rotate it to a new edge. No more removing all the blades for sharpening. Replacement inserts are also available, making maintenance simple and cost-effective. The package includes the 13-inch cutterhead with pre-installed bearings, 61 carbide inserts, screws, and 2 T-wrenches. Everything you need to upgrade your planer is included. This cutterhead helps your planer cut cleanly and efficiently. It comes with a 1-year warranty, and replacement inserts are available. Upgrade today and experience the difference. What we like. This helical cutterhead upgrades your planer with staggered carbide inserts for a shear cut. The carbide inserts can be rotated for a fresh edge, eliminating the need for blade sharpening. If you're looking for a smoother finish and reduced tear out, this is the ultimate upgrade. What people say. The helical head is a significant upgrade over the original cutter head. The finish is far superior to the original knives. It leaves a glass smooth finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.